Hello, here is my Model 5 assignment. Functions and forward declaration. I created two structures, structure player and then structure game. Structure player has the information like number of hits, misses, player's name, whether he wants to play again or not, and then number that is guessed by the player. And inside the game there is a player array and number of players, active players, and game is running, level of difficulty, and then wants to play. Here are forward declarations. There are 5 functions: initiate game, do guess as active player, let player start, and then void destroy game. And inside the initiate game, at first it asks how many players will participate in the game, and there is a do while loop. That is, if the number of players is less than 0 or greater than 8, then it will say that it will forward this message. If number of players is less than 0, then it says that at least one player needed. Put again the number of player, and then if it is greater than or equal to 9, then it will say that only 8 players supported at this time. So when the number of players is valid, then it continues and it goes here and it says that it's starting with that amount of players. And here is the dynamic memory allocations. Then we run one for loop. It gives the opportunity to write every player's name, and obviously at the beginning number of hits and misses will be 0. Here we start the main function. Here we allocate the dynamic memory allocation for the game, and at the beginning game running is true, and here is the player underscore array pointer, and we allocate the dynamic memory for this also. Then while game is running, the game underscore game info pointer will point out the players underscore array, and if play again equals to false, then it continues and other player will be able to play. And here is the do guess function. Forward declaration has already been made and its functions is getting below, and by this way we can use this function here at the main function. Here we can, player is guessing the number, he can choose easy and difficulty and easy levels, and he will get the number of hits and misses according to his guess. And after that there is another function, print player stats, which will print the player statistics. And at the end we need to free up the dynamic allocated memory, and this can be done with the destroy game function. So here is do guess functions, and what does it do? It does exactly like this. So it will ask how I'm thinking a player, I'm thinking a number, please guess bigger than that number, and the user will enter the number. At first, of course, it will ask what level are you playing, easy or hard level, and then here is the case, like if the user does not use either E or S, then there is a message says that please choose either E or S level with this line, and then when he chooses either E or S level, then it goes here, and if level is easy, then obviously players will get 1 point, and it will be stored in number of hits. And if he chooses hard level, you will lose, and then it goes to number of misses. And obviously it is possible to play for the player again. If you choose play yes, then boolean play again function gets true, and then you will be able to continue. If he says false, then play continue for another player, and if there are no another player, the game will end, and it will check whether there is still active players or not. So with this has active player function, it is possible to check whether there are active players or not. And with this print player stats functions, it will print the player statistics, and at the end we are freeing up the memory allocated for game underscore game info pointer and then array. So let's see whether it works or not. And I have already given the location, so let's see, it works. And then this one, oh, what is this? Okay, module 5 final. Welcome to person. So when players participating, let's say free. Please give your name. Yes. Yes. And yes. Please choose the level of difficulty hard. I'm thinking a number, try to guess bigger one, 99. Okay, do you want to play? Yes. 9. Lost twice. Do you want to play? No. 2. No. Try to guess bigger one, let's say 90. You lost the 20. Do you want to play again? No. Yeah, then it prints the player statistics. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you.